Tune.
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 Tune can be a noun, an interjection, a verb or a name. As a noun, tune can mean 1. A melody, 2. A song, or short musical composition. 3. The act of tuning or maintenance. 4. The state or condition of being correctly tuned. 5. Temper, frame of mind. 6. A sound, a note, a tone. 7. Order, harmony, concord. As an interjection, tune can mean used to show appreciation or approval of a song. As a verb, tune can mean 1. To adjust a musical instrument, so that it produces the correct pitches. 2. To adjust or modify especially a mechanical or electrical device so that it functions optimally. 3. To adjust the frequency on a radio or TV set, so as to receive the desired channel. 4. To adapt to or direct towards a particular target. 5. To make more precise, intense, or effective. To put into a proper state or disposition. 6. To attune, to adapt in style of music, to make harmonious. 7. To give a certain tone or character to. 8. To sing with melody or harmony. 9. To cheek, to be impudent towards. As a name, tune can mean surname.
And I was really in tune with the protest